Hello everyone, Amanda here. I'm here with some more smiles in the mail. I am ever so lucky and I do like to share them because it's my way of saying thank you to the people that send things to me. So first of all, we've got this beautiful card here, and this has been sent by one of my lovely Stampin' Up customers who purchases my stamping selections month in and month out, and she sent me one of the reward vouchers that I give out there, and telling me what she would like to receive in return for her reward vouchers. So that's a beautiful one from the lovely Margaret. Thank you, Margaret, I do appreciate it. What a lovely card. I think she's used some memories and more cards there. Stunning. And then this one is sent to me by a lovely lady called, is it Judith Lee? Let me just check, yeah. Making sure I've got the lady's name right. And basically she's sent this a little package to say thank you for sending her, well, she purchased one of my paper shares, my Stampin' Up paper shares. So she sent me this as a little thank you, and I thought it was ever so kind, and I wanted to share this beautiful card. I might have a go at this. So it's one of those that stands like so, and so it's got like dimension. I can't think of the name of them, but there is a special name, and you can fold them in like that. It's lovely. It's very sturdy. It's a beautiful, beautiful, and the paper there, that is the pressed petals, brand new paper from Stampin' Up. Absolutely beautiful. I really love that, so thank you. And then bless her, she knows that I do journaling. I make vintage junk journals, so she sent me an array of little goodies here for me to go in my journals. I thought that was so thoughtful. And she's made these little pockets and she's sewn them. It's lovely. And each one's got little goodies in. That one's got some little lace and some little garment pins in, which, you know, I do use a lot of. And this one's got some lovely twine, and what else is in there? I haven't even looked, to be honest. Some lovely little bead dangles there, look, and some twine. So that's ever so kind. And these pockets I will add to journals as well. And then she sent me some pearls. Those are lovely, really nice, thank you. And then some bits of cardstock, sorry, you know, like papers, and that's beautiful. Look at that floral one. And then we've got one there with like a map on, and this one's got a little mice, so that's cute, isn't it? And then we've got that like botanical one there, really beautiful. So they will definitely come in handy. I'll use those as tag inserts or page inserts or something similar. And then she sent that little lovely card as well. So I just wanted to share my smiles in the mail for this week so far. Although it's only early. What day is it today? Today will be Tuesday when this goes up, so I'm quite lucky. So thank you ever so much to those lovely ladies for those smiles in the mail, and again, great inspiration for anybody who does crafting or card making. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.